day. You watch people ship Nigerian foodstuff abroad, making millions. While you're wondering where to start, you've Googled it, you've watched countless YouTube videos. But the more you search about starting foodstuff business and exportation, the more confused you get. And the more scared you are of wasting your little savings. I get it. Starting without a clear guide can make you feel like jumping into a jungle, blindfolded. You don't know where to start. You are overwhelmed with unverified information online. And deep down, you're scared of starting wrongly and losing your hard-earned money. And that's exactly why I created my free class on foodstuff business and exportation. I'm not teaching theory. I'll be teaching what I do every day. I've successfully exported to over 80 customers in more than 10 countries. And I will show you exactly how to start, even if you have little or no capital. In this free class, I will show you step-by-step way you can start a profitable foodstuff business. How you can avoid costly mistakes most beginners make. The easiest products you can export that customers are begging for. And the simple tools I use to serve customers locally and outside of the country. You don't have to figure it out alone or waste years guessing. Join me, learn from my real results, and let me help you start your journey with clarity and confidence. Click the link now. Let's turn your foodstuff dream into real income. Don't miss this. Your future customers are already waiting for you.